Okay, everyone, welcome back to my face. Just to make things a little bit less horrifying, you can see now that I have gone through and I have done not only my eyes, but also, and this is the problem with the eyes, but I think it makes things a little bit easier in the long run. And we'll do the same thing with the mouth. So I've done the mouth, and here we'll just so you guys can see it kind of forming. We've got the mouth there. Then I also did the tongue. And once again, with these smaller things, how much you break it up is really up to you. And the teeth, upper and lower. There we go. As well as the lips. So here, much less horrifying, right? Still, the pose I chose, a little bit horrifying. But we do have a little bit of a weirdness here, and that's because we haven't done the glasses. So let's take a look and and figure out how we're going to do the glasses. So turn all of these off here. I'm going to create a new layer, just as we've done before. Call that glasses. And then, as we've all done before, we're going to zoom in. Now, the problem with this is we've got inside cuts. So, and for this, we'll just make it, just use black, because that's basically the color of my glasses there. All right, so we're going to go through. What's really nice about glasses is that they are a much more, we'll zoom in a little bit more. They're mechanically made, and Illustrator is much better. And this is another situation where I really want you guys to do a better job of taking your pictures than what I've done here. Because this is a much more kind of mechanical machine-made thing, we can get a much better sense of the shape with a lot less work. Using this. And this is again one of the reasons why I think a lot of people like to use Illustrator for illustrations of kind of mechanical items. We'll just kind of make that into a little. All right, so now we hold down Shift X. You can see I've got sunglasses, which is fine, but we want to have those the holes in there. So how do we do it? Well, that's where our old friend, the Shape Builder tool, right here, remember Shift M from our last assignment, comes in. So all I want to do is I'm just going to basically do the same thing on my interior with these shapes. There we go. Kind of an easier to do situation. Same thing over here. Get that one. Once again, if things don't come out perfectly, you can always hit Command Z to undo. I am, as always, kind of rushing through this, so take your time with this. And once again, don't get perturbed if it takes a little bit longer. And once again, don't get perturbed if it takes a little bit longer to put this all together. So now, if I select the glasses, hit Shift X to flip, now Shift M to use the shape builder. And remember, if we hold down Option, that will get rid of stuff. And now we turn, let's go back to 0 here. We've got, and we've got a nice set of glasses. In the next section, we'll go through, kind of fix up the skin tones a little bit to make them match a little bit better. And then after that, in the one after that, we'll kind of do some fine tuning, but we're getting very close to the end. Once again, these tutorials are fast, but the amount of work that you're doing is really in the tracing, which is good. Take your time with that because you'll learn over time how that can kind of help you and get better with the pen tool.